Hello, this is Nitro99 again, and I'll be doing a review on a LEGO Star Wars accessory, the new LEGO Star Wars alarm clock. It comes with two minifigures and some pieces to build a little turret, and it costs $30 US. And yeah, this is the clock. First off, the figures. You get Chewbacca. Maybe you've probably seen Chewbacca before. This is actually my first Chewbacca, so as you probably know, his head is just one piece in the body. The other figure you get is a Stormtrooper. Pretty simple. And you also get pieces to build this turret. And it comes with a blast rifle. This is the same turret that came in the old Clone Battle Pack, except this red piece is a different color. In the Battle Pack it was darker. And here's the box. Nice little box. I don't know why it says Aegis 6+. It's an alarm clock. That doesn't make much sense. A lot of sense. There's the clock, there's the figures. Instructions. You don't even need that. It's so simple. And I guess more instructions. And here is the little manual for building the turret, because it comes in pieces. And it shows a shock trooper, so I guess they just photocopied this from the old battle pack. And yeah, simple box, small. Onto the alarm clock. Like I said, you don't need instructions to figure out how to use this thing. It's really simple. This red thing moves around. It doesn't move, it just, you can slide it for some reason. And it shows, you know, the seconds, like 60 seconds, 5 seconds. And then the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And there's a little picture of Chewbacca ripping off Stormtrooper's arms. Pretty violent. LEGO Star Wars has, you know, the hour hand and minute hand, the second hand. Then that yellow thing is where you set the alarm for. And back here, it comes with a battery, but the battery isn't plugged in. You need to pull out a little plastic thing, so that way, you know, you keep it from draining the battery. This is where how you set the clock. You turn that, you know, and this is where you set the alarm. And up here, you press that, and once it's lifted, the alarm is set, so it'll go off when it's supposed to go off. You just press it again and turn it off. And I will show you the alarm. You set it for time. You can hear it go off. Then it gets louder, and it keeps getting louder. So that's a cool thing. And then you can also press the snooze button, and the snooze button turns it off for like 3 minutes, but then it'll go off again unless you press this down and turn the alarm off. The snooze button also doubles as a light, so in the middle of the night you can press this and see that light. It's actually much brighter, you know, in the darkness, so you can actually see what time it is. That's a cool feature. It's better than having glow-in-the-dark hands, because that can get annoying, I guess. Well, I would think it's annoying. And also, you can build on it. Like, I had the minifigure sitting up here. And also, I guess you could stick that on a base plate. Overall, this is a pretty cool clock. I didn't have an alarm clock. It was funny. My parents were telling me to get one. I just figured I was looking at Lego.com at the accessories for Star Wars, and what do you know, they had a new LEGO Star Wars alarm clock, so I thought that was cool, and I could review it, and yeah. And this is like just a plastic cover. So that's it. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and remember it's $30 off Lego.com under Star Wars accessories. That's it. Bye.